Paradise Valley has definitely been one of the most requested neighborhoods that I cover, so today I'm going to give you a thorough overview of everything you can expect from this beautiful development. We'll cover home styles, price points, the community amenities, as well as HOA and taxes. We'll touch on everything you need to know if you are considering making Paradise Valley your next home. Let's get started. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica Monroe. I'm a realtor in the Bay Area and I specialize in Solano County. Paradise Valley is a beautiful master plan community with several different eras of builds, beginning in the late 1980s up to 2018. And that means that there is a large variety of home styles and price points to offer. Paradise Valley is nestled right up against the rolling hills in Fairfield, and in springtime it is stunning. Those hills are bright emerald green and it is exceptionally beautiful. The golf course, of course, is immaculately maintained, as well as the side streets, and everywhere you look there are tree-lined streets. In my opinion, feels a lot more expensive than the home prices and HOAs reflect. A majority of the subdivisions were built in the late 90s to early 2000s and feature Mediterranean style homes, so stucco exteriors, tile roofs, which is perfect for the climate in Fairfield. Most houses are expansive, with the average square footage hovering right around 2,400 square feet. There are homes as quaint as 1,500 square feet, as well as expansive as 4,000 plus square feet, so definitely a lot of variety for everyone. I want to share two examples of houses that are currently on the market. One is a single story and one is a two-story. Now, single story houses are less common than two-story, but you're going to have a lot more luck finding them here than you would in new construction. This year alone, there have been about 6 sales of single story homes, which given the low inventory is pretty strong, and there are 2 more currently available on the market. This beautiful single story home located in a court just went into contract. It's listed at $725,000 and features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, about 2,000 square feet of living space on over a quarter-acre lot. So your dollar definitely stretches further here than anywhere else in the Bay. This is a great example of what you can expect for Paradise Valley homes. You'll notice 9-foot airy ceilings with recessed lighting. There's lots of windows allowing for maximum sunlight to come through. This house is also a great depiction of the upgrades that you can expect in Paradise Valley. It's really rare to have a fully renovated, every room remodeled home. You'll typically see a combination of original finishes as well as some upgrades. So you notice in the entryway there was some updated flooring, and in the kitchen you'll see original tile floors. You have updated quartz countertops, original cabinetry that has been painted and refreshed. Again, rare to see something fully renovated, and if you do, the price point will reflect that. Moving on to this 2-story house currently on the market for $829,000. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, including a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs, as well as nearly 2,700 square feet of living space. But the exciting thing about this listing is that it backs to the green. So you have a large lot that overlooks the immaculately maintained golf course, so you have stunning views year-round. Walking into this home, you'll notice impressive 18-foot vaulted ceilings, again with windows galore to allow the maximum amount of sunlight to come through. The kitchen is original, so original tile counters, cabinetry, and flooring, and that opens to a family room. You'll notice in both of these houses that there was a formal living room, formal dining room, followed by open concept kitchen to family room. This is kind of the standard layout in this era of home. It's still going to have an open feeling, but there are more defined spaces versus brand new construction. This house, priced at $829,000, in my opinion, is below market value, just given the location and as much space as you have. However, I think the seller took into consideration that they have all original finishes, and a buyer coming through is likely to want to make their own updates. So if they had done the updates, the price point probably would have been higher. This hopefully makes sense for a future buyer to invest a little more money back into the property once purchased. Let's move on to HOA fees. A majority of the subdivisions belong to the Paradise Valley Master Association, which charges $43 a month, and you get access to a community pool, spa, tennis courts, playground. Unfortunately, no golf membership is included, but for $43 a month, in my opinion, you're getting a lot. There's so many other developments that charge hundreds of dollars, and you never really know where that money is going. It's important to note that not all subdivisions belong to this association. The homes built in the late 80s, for example, have no HOA fee, and homes built in the later developments, so the enclave at Paradise Valley, for example, was built in 2010 and also has no HOA. It was built by a different builder. So if you are someone who's hesitant to join an HOA community but love the look and feel of Paradise Valley, these areas may be a great fit for you. I also want to highlight two different subdivisions that have their own HOAs and are more of an entry-level price point in Paradise Valley. Paradise 360 is the newest development in all of Paradise Valley. It was built in 2018 and 2019 and is a gated community. It features 2-story and 3-story houses ranging from 1,600 square feet up to about 2,500 square feet, typically with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms. It's important to note that the lot sizes are very quaint. They range from about 3,000 square feet up to about 4,300 square feet. Some of these houses do have rooftop decks which overlook the green, so you have incredible views. If you're looking for something that's very low maintenance, then this might be a great fit for you. Paradise 360 does have its own HOA. It's about $150 a month, and it covers maintenance of the grounds, management, and of course the security gate. A home in Paradise 360 sold for $661,000 recently and featured 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, about 2,200 square feet, so one of the largest floor plans available in Paradise 360. The other subdivision I wanted to highlight has the lowest entry price points in all of Paradise Valley, and this is Paradise Creek. It's located right next to the community center, the community pool and spa, so you have amenities within walking distance. These houses feature 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, 1,500 square feet up to about 2,000 square feet. It's common to see some shared lots or zero lot line feel, so you are nestled pretty close to your neighbor. But again, for somebody looking for low maintenance, this is a great option, especially since you have the amenities so close by. The HOA fee in Paradise Creek hovers right around $200 to $215 a month, and it covers ground maintenance as well as management. To give you an example of the entry price point, there was a house that recently sold which featured 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It sold for $561,000, so definitely a lot lower than the more expansive single-family homes in nearby subdivisions. Taxes for Paradise Valley are very much in line with other established neighborhoods. You don't have excessive Mello-Roos or special assessments. You can typically expect anywhere between $1,100 and about $1,500 a year. Unless, of course, you are in newer developed areas such as Paradise 360, there's always going to be additional special assessments there. You can likely expect closer to about $2,200 a year. As far as amenities, there is a Paradise Valley Plaza, which is a 5-minute drive up Manual campus, and there's a Raley's, there are various restaurants, a Starbucks, a Lowe's, Costco, Trader Joe's, Sprouts, Nugget. All are reachable within about a 10 to 15 minute drive, as is downtown Vacaville and all the restaurants and shops that it has to offer. You can typically reach these destinations without hopping onto the freeway, as there are back roads which can cut down on time. Another great amenity is the Peña Adobe Lagoon Valley Lake Park, which is located just a few minutes away. It's a 470-acre park complete with several different hiking, walking, biking trails. There's fishing in the lagoon lake. There's a great dog park. There's disc golf. There's so many activities and beautiful wildlife to take in. As far as schools, Paradise Valley is assigned to the Fairfield Ca Unified School District. I'd encourage you to get on greatschools.org or niche.com or any other trusted site to figure out exactly what schools would be assigned to the home that you're interested in. It may be the public safety school, it may be Rolling Hills Elementary or Fairfield High. Make sure you do your due diligence to understand exactly what school your child would be assigned to. As far as commute, Paradise Valley is very conveniently located just a few minutes off of I-80. You also have access to the Fairfield Vacaville train station, which services trains and buses throughout the Bay Area. And keep in mind, they are working on express lanes on I-80, so that should alleviate some of the bottlenecking that happens around Travis Boulevard and Manual Campus. This area is definitely going to benefit from the express lanes once they're completed. Paradise Valley is definitely worth a visit. If you are considering purchasing a home in Fairfield, feel free to reach out to me with any additional questions. I can be reached at monroe.erica@gmail.com.